Good evening. I usually don't need one of these, but this is a long room. My name is Holly Cargill Kramer, and I'm the Executive Director of the Tech Valley Center of Gravity, a makerspace, prototyping center, business incubator, STEAM education center, and creative community in the heart of downtown Troy. We are located right on the corner of 3rd and Broadway, down at the base of the stairs that come down from 15th Street from RPI, and we're right in the heart of downtown Troy. This 15,000 square foot facility houses a makerspace with manufacturing and technology equipment, training opportunities focused on practical skills and hands-on experience, co-working and meeting facilities, on-site prototype development, and New York State's most recently certified 16V business incubator, the manufacturing incubator propelled by IMC. So the heart and core of this facility is the makerspace. And it is 15,000 square feet of equipment and technology that's available to members who pay a monthly membership fee in order to have access to that equipment. And the equipment includes a fiber arch zone with sewing machines that do everything from sew leather and canvas, industrial leather and canvas, to embroidery. We also have, this zone also houses glass and enamel fusing. We have a 3D printing zone with 6 functional 3D printers in the makerspace. We have an electronics zone for making, repairing, and testing circuitry of all types and building microprocessors. We have a full metal shop or machine shop for work with metal and composites, a welding shop with TIG and MIG welding, a full wood shop, and a laser cutting zone. So all of these are available for the monthly membership fee in the makerspace, and also available to any of our members is co-working. We do have just co-working for those who don't want to use the equipment. We have co-working space as well. And our co-working includes use of Wi-Fi and our digital printing center, as well as a community kitchen and space for meetings, including a boardroom that houses up to 14. And you can see behind that a community room that houses up to 75, classroom style. And in March of 2017 or 18, March of this year, we opened our new prototyping center as well as our manufacturing incubator. And I'm going to introduce Thad Casey, who's president of Innovative Manufacturing Consultants, who serves as the program director for the incubator.
Good evening, everybody, and thank you, Holly. All right, so I'm going to stand up. Vertically challenged on the table. So the prototyping center and the manufacturing incubator are huge investments for us, and really great resources for the whole Capital District area. I'm going to start off with the prototyping center. What's unique about this prototyping center, and there are plenty of these across the country, this one has a lot of really nice advanced manufacturing equipment. It's a home for you to start your business, and we'll talk through that. But the key difference is we let the startups, if they want, run the gear. So just like our makerspace, it's a place that's built for learn by doing. So as a startup, you might have absolutely no idea how to make anything, but it's going to be very challenging for you if you can't be at all informed about how to manufacture your products, even if you're going to 100% outsource it. You need to be educated enough to be able to manage your quality, manage your costs, manage your risks. So giving you access to run the gear yourself is an educational opportunity as much as it is a place for you to call home. It's also significantly lower cost. Some of the hourly rates we're charging for machine use and the training we charge is minuscule compared to one major contract that you might outsource to a local vendor or China or anywhere you're going to go. So it is gear that we let you run, and it's stuff you can significantly hurt yourself with. So there's a lot of training involved. I'll run you through a couple of pictures. First and foremost, you got to have space to do work. So instead of being stuck in your parents' basement or in your wife's garage, you can come down here, use these benches. These are shared workspace. It's all set up. If anyone's familiar with lean manufacturing, this is a very lean manufacturing environment. All the tools are highly organized in 5S. I'm an engineer. I'm OCD about things. That's a really nice toolbox. But importantly for that, the reason we did that, like I said, this gear is very dangerous and we have to train you on it. By making everything organized and very approachable, normal people can run this. You do not have to be an expert in manufacturing to run our CNC router. We can help get you up to speed on it. We want you to have that experience so that when you go to a manufacturer and you're ready to rock and roll, you can talk a little talk and you have some experience. We also have a vac former, which is a really good alternative to injection molding and low-cost, low-volume setups. Really high-powered laser. We can cut through any acrylic, plastic, woods, all kind of different things, both doing cutting and engraving. A real high-end 3D printer. So every library these days has a 3D printer. This is 2 orders of magnitude more expensive. What are we, $30,000? $33,000 laser cut or 3D printer. Much more reliable, much faster than those desktop styles that you're normally going to get. And then, of course, just place to store your stuff, right? So you got to be organized and have, so we have workbenches and space for you to store your tools and all your equipment. All right, so that's our prototyping center. Again, a learn by doing kind of thing. Next, I'm going to talk about the manufacturing incubator. This is an idea that my company IMC and the Tech Valley Center of Gravity have co-developed. And just like our makerspace and our prototyping center, it has some uniquenesses that make it different. We don't do any business scope in our business incubator. Kind of silly, right? But we are a New York State certified incubator, but we do things that are technically focused. So we didn't set out to do another lean startup business methodology program because there's a lot of those that are already in the ecosystem. There's already a lot of good business support. We looked at what was in the marketplace right now from a technical standpoint, and when it comes to engineering on the physical product side, there wasn't a lot of help there. In the Capital District, or frankly, we have yet to find anything even like this. So we're doing things like how to design and prototype your product in a structured manner, how to think about make versus buy, how to do supply chain, how to do your prototyping, how to design your product for manufacturability, all technical things that are also process-driven, just like lean startup and sequential. But it helps mitigate risk. It's open to anyone. It's one-on-one coaching. It's 24/7. I've got startups that are working with me on nights and weekends all the time. We don't take equity, but we do charge a little bit for this, which is also unique. And yes, we're going to charge you a little bit for it. So with that, tonight our ask is, if you haven't been to the Tech Valley Center of Gravity, as Holly mentioned, there's a lot going on in this place. It is an awesome facility. It's a great resource for the region and beyond. We have people traveling 2 hours to come and work with us. If you haven't been down, please check it out and let other people know about it. And then if you know anybody that's as a physical product that wants to get a product to market, and vendors, we're literally work with retirees on a second career. We're working with some high school kids. I mean, it's across the board. Anybody with an idea, if they're serious about turning it into business, we'd like to talk to them. So if you want to chat, give us a ring.